Once you have answered an incoming call, if you are to perform a blind transfer and that transfer goes unanswered on the end destination, after a configured amount of time, that call will recall to the operator screen in the calls in progress area. Once that call has returned, you will see information such as who you transferred the call through to, as well as the busy lamp field status, so you can see if that user is available or on the phone. To rehandle that call using your keyboard, you have a few different options. Pressing the F5 key will highlight the call, and you can then press the delete key to re-establish. Re-establish simply resends the same transfer back to the same destination. Once again, if that call goes unanswered, it will recall to the calls in progress area. At this point, you can re-establish the call again if you wish, or you can rehandle the call and retrieve it by pressing the page down key. You will now be speaking to the original caller, and you can rehandle the call accordingly. If your queues are set to false delivery, you will always be presented with a new incoming call if there is a new call in the system. Once you have answered an incoming call, if you have performed a blind transfer and another call is queuing to be answered, it will ring on the active calls area straight away. If the transfer that you performed previously doesn't get answered, it will return to your calls in progress area. In order to handle this call, you need to log out of your queues. To do this, you press Ctrl and F10 on the keyboard. At this point, you'll get a warning to say you are going to unavailable, and you won't receive any calls until you make yourself available again. Select Yes to continue. You'll notice that part of your screen becomes grey and the title bar has changed to Queue Unavailable. At this point, using your keyboard, once again you can press F5 to highlight the call, and you can either re-establish with the delete key or retrieve the call with the page down key. Once you have handled that call, you can make yourself available again by pressing Ctrl and F10. You will immediately be presented with a new incoming call.